Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to use SmartSheet for project management, and it will be a step-by-step video, and I try my best to break down all the procedure in one video. And also remember, even if you are a complete beginner, then this video might be an surprising for you. So by the end of this video, you will know how to create project, assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team all inside this smart sheet. So without any further ado, let's get inserted. So here, first of all, you just need to understand what is smart sheet actually. So actually, SmartSheet is a powerful cloud-based project management tool, and it helps you to collaboration with different platforms. Think of it like Excel meets Trello, but with automation. Then Gantt charts, dashboard, and many more. It is perfect for managing teams, timelines, tasks, budgets, and reporting, all in one place. So first of all, as you can see a demo from that place. If you provide your mail here and then watch the demo, and here they are asking for name, first name, and then you just need to provide all this information, then they will give you the demo options. So if you want to see, then you can go with this one, but I just want to create an account, like sign up, and then I will view the dashboard overview. So first of all, you just need to visit on smartsheet.com. Once you come over here, then click on sign up with Google or Microsoft or email. This is really simple. Just click on try SmartSheet for free, and then click on here, just click on logging your mail address here. Just let's copy our mail address from that place. Here I'm going to copy this one, then enter mail address and click on continue, and then I'm going to provide my name. As you can see it, phone number, then job title CEO, and let's hit in try SmartSheet for free. And as you can see, our sign up has been complete, so I'm going to copy with this one, sign up with Google, and then click on continue. So as you can see how easy the process was to complete. So I hope now you can easily do it. So once you log in, you will land in the home dashboard, so you need to be wait a bit. So here, let's skip sequence, next, cars. This kind of option you will also get on once you come over here. So now you can see, once you log in, you will land on the home dashboard, as you can see it. Then let's break down the layout. So first of all, here you can see we have notification. First as we have home. If I click over here, then here you can see your recent project and workshop will be visible in that place. Then here we have these options called notification, where you will get notification of your work. Then we have this option search, where you can search anything from that place. Then browse, where we can browse things from that place. Then also we have these favorites and resource management options, then workspace. So we have couple of options here. So let's go and let's click on sheets. Let's go to the home, and let's find out any custom option does we have or not. All workspace, like template, did we find out any template color, discover inspiration. So let's click on find your solution, and let's try to find out a template to get to know about the work furthermore. So here you can see this is the template we have. Let's click on of them. Just click on open them and click on here in this button, and here you can see it is taking time. So now here you can see this is our SmartSheet demo. This is the first demo we already get. So there is a like here is a couple of demo we have. So here you can see it, project tracking roll up, or you can go with this project work breakdown schedule. Just click one of them and let's see, and it will take a while. and now here you can see this is the result. Eventually we get project alpha, and this is our SmartSheet project. These are the demo to get eventual idea about this SmartSheet. So let's click on home and let's start a new project from scratch. Just click on, and here you can see start from scratch. So I'm going to click on this one, this project setup, and let's click on 30-day trial has been started for us. So here you can see I'm just going to click on, then click on this one, and now eventually we are able to see this. They are asking for project name. The project name will be by my name, and then click on build sheet. Task 1, what will be the task 1? Task 1 will be video creation. Task 2 would be upload, and then click on next. Then in this video creation, what will be subtasks? The subtask will be script, and second one will be editing, and then click on add reports. Here you can see in the right corner you can see that this is our eventual result is showing like visible for us. Click on add dashboard and click on build project. So our project has been built. Here you can see you can customize any column or add new ones in here. So here you can see this is the owner I am. So here you can see script, allocations, then we have starting date, end date, then the health. You can change the health, then status. So how easy the process was to create a new project in here. Once you're done, then the second or the next step will be add task and assign people. So let's add some tasks. In the row 1 you can plan content calendar, so you can add couple of options. So here if I click over here and click on, and here you can see add column description, insert column left, so add left, and here you can see we have couple of options. Let's click on add column, and they are asking for name, so I'm going to make this calendar. So let's go and let's find out what is the calendar option. This one is date calendar, date, and let's hit enter. Okay, and our date has been added. Just click on this and you will get this add date options. So you can assign each task by typing in a team member's email. Also you can update start and due dates and mark progress in the complete column. Here you can see this is the complete column status. Then you can also create subtasks by indenting rows. Let's view your our project with Gantt. So click on Gantt view. Here we have this Gantt view task summary report. Let's click on save, and now here you can see this is our task report. Script editing, it is not complete yet, like the status is completed and the health is become green. So you can easily assign your work over here. Then you can start date, you can give the end date, then you can check the date, health, and many things. Then here you can see we have grid option. Then if you click on Gantt view, just click on Gantt view, and in this way you can see that our Gantt view in that platform where you can drag and drop taskbars. Then you can create dependence by linking tasks, and also you can instantly export dailies or overlaps. This view is a great for project tracking and timeline planning. Then let's go ahead with automate our workflow. Like SmartSheet allows basic automation like sending reminders email, then notifying team when a task is assigned, then moving rows automatically when conditions are met. Then you can go to automations. Just go to automations. Here you will get options called automation. Just click on, and then you will get options like create workflow, and you just need to be choose the trigger, condition, and actions, like no coding required. So it's really amazing. As a beginner you can start your work. So here we have couple of view options. So I hope you understand how easy SmartSheet is it, and now you can easily use it for your project from this video. So if you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.